How to fix wfplwfs.sys blue screen error in Windows 11. Hello friends, follow the steps to fix this BSOD. First of all, uninstall antivirus if installed. For this, click on Start, go to Settings, click on Apps, go to Installed Apps. ESET Security is installed on my system. Apart from this, Seagate Personal Firewall or Norton Security might be installed on your computer. Uninstall them. On my computer, I am uninstalling ESET Security. Click on three dots icon. Select Modify. On your computer, you might get uninstall option highlighted. Click on Uninstall and follow the on-screen instructions. In my case, I will select Modify because it is highlighted. Click on Next. Select Remove. Click on Remove. The program is uninstalling. Click on Finish in the end. You must restart your system. I will restart later. The second step is install optional updates, which includes driver updates and others. Click on Start. Select Settings. Go to Windows Update. Click on Advanced Options. Go to Optional Updates. If any optional updates are available, you will see here in a list. Click on Install button located next to the update. At last, restart your computer. Check if the BSOD is fixed. If the BSOD still occurs, then roll back network driver. For this, right click on Start, select Device Manager, find Network Adapters and click on this arrow. Right click on this device, select Update Driver, choose Browse My Computer for drivers. Click on Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Here, select an earlier version driver and click on Next. The earlier version driver will be installed. Restart your device and check for the error. Corrupted files and folders may also trigger wfplwfs.sys. So run system file checkers and DISM tools. For this, click on Search, type CMD, select Run as Administrator, type SFC //SCANNOW, press Enter. After verification is 100% completed, run DISM command. Copy the DISM command from the description, paste into the command prompt and press enter. DISM RestoreHealth command is sufficient for this. After the operation is completed successfully, close all the windows. And restart your computer. Check if the error is fixed. The next step is to perform a clean boot. Click on Search, type msconfig, select System Configuration, go to the Services tab, check the box Hide all Microsoft services, click on Disable all. Now go to the Startup tab, click on Open Task Manager. On the Task Manager, make sure that the status is disabled for all the programs. If any program is enabled, right click on it and select Disable here. Close the Task Manager. Click on Apply and click on OK. Select Restart on the pop-up. That's all.